Komiti kurwe bunge na neme inse ye wizara yekigancheke na nebe sokiri iriko sangereria ebirengereri by'abananchi igoro yenkwana ya serikali yoko Chishare company ya Safaricom gukwana ime ya ATC county ya KISII ningegati ABAMENYI abo baorokirie obwaba igoro yobotumeki nabo igo okubagana wetishe icho abwase bateberuna nigo babwate CHITANG'UTANG'U nekerengereri ekyo ya serikali yoko Chishare icho eri gutumeka chibese icho asogwakanisire serikali ya Kenya nabo igo gukorera amagendero yobwagachi bwechipara buna bakwerera aswe obutuko bwiga tiango turararigereri
is Livingstone Ogato. I'm a lesson of here in KISII County. First, I support the government for selling the shares because majorly it is for the benefit of us common mananchi. Because what they have enlisted, they are going to improve the key factors which are affecting the common mananchi. You see the roads, the water, and the electricity. Those are the key areas mostly affecting the common management. But contrary to that, my query is, you as our leaders, what parameters are you going to put in place so that you can ensure that this money is fully utilized on what has been enlisted?
My name is Vivian Omariba. I hail from Nyaribari Church. So for me is to give maybe proposals and also to bring out one concern. So the current debt, national debt stands at, as Honorable Manduku said, 13 trillion, which is divided into domestic debt and foreign debt. So maybe you should start by telling us how much of that debt has been paid. If I look at these figures, 204 billion vis-a-vis 13 trillion, 204 billion, which is supposed to go to paying off the debts and then also paying off infrastructure projects. I feel like 204 billion is a drop in the ocean vis-a-vis the 13 trillion. So what are we supposed to do? From a policy angle, I think that the first thing we are supposed to do is think about more sustainable solutions. Number one, because we have to get dollars inside the country. We have to ensure that our industries are running because we are importing raw materials, which is not getting us more money than if we could be doing value addition for our products, our avocados, our sugar, even here in KISII we have bananas. We are not doing much to ensure that we are getting dollars as a result of value chain.
Yetu ni kuwasikiza na kuyapeleka hayo mambo yote bungeni. Ndio ile wakati utakao kaa kujadili hii mambo, yale yamesemwa na wenzetu wenye gitinge kutoka KISII County na Wakenya wengine wote viwe pale